Hello traders, the title of this video is Mastering Second Elliott Wave Fibonacci Trading Tactics like a Pro. Let's get started. In a nutshell, the Fibonacci retracement and extension of the minor waves of the second Elliott wave help to predict the structure of the corrective wave after the motive wave. All right. Remember that this is not about exact sciences. The Fibonacci retracement of the second wave in relation to the first wave always also helps to forecast the possible depth of the corrective wave or corrective phase. The second wave Fibonacci retracement and extension can also help to forecast, all right, the fourth Elliott wave. In the next tutorial, a title Uncovering the Secret of Second Elliott Wave Fibonacci Trading, I will be demonstrating everything that I am talking about now. Stay tuned, please. Subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave today. Click on the notification bell. It is free. Subscribe today and hit the bell. Thank you. Please give us the thumbs up if you like it. Mark it down if you dislike it. Or better, share it, this video, if you really like it. Happy trading to you all. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.